Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to save big on web hosting, I have got the top 3 Hostinger promo codes that you can use right now. Let's jump right in. First of all, you can get 70% of cloud hosting plans plus an extra 10% off with the promo code available through the link in the description. It's perfect for businesses needing reliable hosting at a great price. Next, for those starting their websites using a massive 85% off web hosting plans and an additional 10% discount. Just use the promo code linked below and start your hosting journey affordably. And finally, if you are looking for the most affordable option, grab 90% of single shared hosting plans with another exclusive promo code, great for small project and beginners. These deals are incredible but won't last forever. So take advantage now by checking out the links in the description for more money saving tips. Like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for more